Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm Michelle, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. If you love adding unique, bohemian-inspired touches to your home, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing some amazing upcycling ideas for transforming vintage furniture into beautiful boho pieces for your modern country cottage. Let's dive in. Transform an old, wooden chair by reupholstering it with bright, patterned fabrics and adding a distressed paint finish. This makeover captures the essence of Bohemian-Style with its relaxed, colorful vibes, making the chair a bold statement piece in a modern country cottage living room. Give an old sofa new life by reupholstering it in a mix of floral and geometric bohemian fabrics. Adding distressed paint on the frame and integrating vintage-inspired cushions will create a warm, inviting piece perfect for a modern country cottage. Take an old, simple coffee table and add intricate carvings, vibrant paint, and bohemian accents. This transformation brings a unique, artistic flair to the table, making it an eye-catching focal point in a cozy modern country cottage living room. Upcycle an old cabinet by incorporating woven rattan inserts and a distressed wood finish for that bohemian rustic charm. Perfect for a modern country cottage kitchen, this revamped piece offers both style and practicality. Transform a vintage nightstand by adding multicolored drawer pulls, a distressed paint finish, and bohemian-style accents. This piece will infuse a modern country cottage bedroom with charm and personality. Refinish an old dresser by adding bold, multicolored drawer pulls and a distressed paint finish. The combination of bohemian touches and rustic elegance will give your modern country cottage bedroom a timeless, chic vibe. Give an old storage bench a makeover by adding Bohemian-style fabric panels, hand-painted details, and cozy, patterned cushions. This upcycled piece serves as both functional storage and a stylish statement in your modern country cottage living room. Turn an old bookshelf into a bohemian-inspired display by painting it in muted tones and adding woven baskets or trinkets for decoration. This upcycled shelf will enhance the cozy, eclectic vibe of a modern country cottage living room. Reupholster vintage dining chairs with a mix of colorful, boho-inspired fabrics and cozy cushions. These chairs will create a lively, welcoming atmosphere in your modern country cottage dining room, adding charm and comfort to every meal. Upcycle an old mirror by painting its frame in earthy tones and decorating it with beads or feathers for a bohemian touch. Hang this piece in your country cottage entryway or living room to add rustic charm and a personal touch. Refinish a vintage nightstand by applying bold, boho-inspired patterns and giving it a distressed paint finish. Add unique drawer pulls for a charming, one-of-a-kind piece perfect for a modern country cottage bedroom. transform a vintage desk into a functional yet artistic workspace with a colorful paint job, Bohemian-style decorative drawer handles, and hand-painted accents. This revamped desk will serve as a stylish focal point in your modern country cottage study or home office. Repurpose an old ladder by turning it into a stylish bohemian storage shelf. Add plants, woven baskets, and trinkets to create a charming and functional piece in your modern country cottage living room or hallway. Upcycle a simple vintage side table with a combination of rich wood tones and boho-inspired textiles. This piece will add a cozy and artistic touch to your country cottage living room, perfectly pairing with any decor. Take a vintage dining table and give it a new life by stenciling boho designs and applying a colorful paint wash. This transformed table will create a vibrant and artistic focal point in your modern country cottage dining room. Add a bohemian twist to an antique cabinet by incorporating woven jute or rattan panels and painting it in earthy tones. This upcycled piece will bring a rustic, boho vibe to your modern country cottage kitchen or living space. Repurpose an old chandelier into a boho-inspired light fixture by adding beads or fringed accents. This upcycled light will cast a warm, inviting glow in your modern country cottage, creating a cozy atmosphere. Give an old rocking chair a bohemian makeover by reupholstering it with cozy, relaxed fabrics, adding a distressed paint finish, and incorporating decorative boho cushions. This revamped chair will add comfort and charm to your modern country cottage living room. Upcycle a vintage bench with colorful textiles, a distressed paint finish, and bohemian touches like fringe or embroidery. This cozy, stylish bench will make a statement in your country cottage entryway or living room. Transform an old trunk into a boho coffee table by painting it with a mix of pastel and earthy tones. Add unique handles for extra flair and use it as a statement piece in your cozy modern country cottage living room. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own upcycling projects and bring a little bohemian magic into your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear which piece you're most excited to transform. Stay tuned for more cozy and creative home decor ideas here at Vintage Nook. See you next time.